Whoa guys, look, new project on the channel. 2005 Honda Odyssey. Look at this. Sunroof, clean interior. Yeah, it's got it's got an airbag, it's got every light on the dash. Everything works just fine. Look at the back, pretty clean. WeatherTech mats. Of course, everything needs to clean. Let's see, let's open the back. Power back. But you know, you got a third row seating back here. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna need some cleaning. Look. Power door. Now, time to get to the ugly, ugly, ugly mess. Pretty clean for a 05. Clean title. Yeah, as you guys can see, she ran into a ditch. Look, it needs a axle, lower control arm, probably gonna need a new ball joint. And of course, it's gonna need a headlight, it's gonna need a fender, and she's a leaker. She's leaking away. Probably the radiator, because this. But overall, not bad. What's everybody think? This is the EXL version. It's got the fog lights, so you're looking at fog. You're looking at a front bumper. You're looking at a lower control arm. You're looking at an axle, core support that goes behind the bumper. This is pretty much the main impact was right here in this general area. And then yeah, see, you could tell it went into some trees. It went a little bit off-roading. Rocker arm has a little bit of damage. Grill. What do you guys think? It's cheap enough. You got a half tank of gas when you get it. You got an airbag light on, check engine light on. The temperature is not gone up. See how it ribs. Ooh. Whoa, needs a valve adjustment. You can hear those valves. Does the important window work? Important window works. Does this window work? Oh yeah. These doors do not slide by the power, which no idea what's going on with those. But you know what? We will get to the bottom of this. Now everybody please like and share. Got good tires all the way around. What do we have? What do we have for tires? Tiger Paw Touring. Tiger Paw Pouring. Look, hardly any rust on the tires, on the rotors or tires. Hey, give your boy a follow. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.